You got to have friends. The feeling's oh so strong.
This is Barb Rosenzweig, and I'd like to share our Upper Moreland lab-based program with you. In our 6th grade life science program, we study each phylum of living things by observing live and preserved specimens, reading from our text and supplementary materials, viewing a video when applicable, and arranging the information into a graphic organizer. Afterwards, in all of our laboratory investigations, students record their observations after carefully observing the specimens with either microscopes or large magnifying lenses. They use pencils to outline and record details, and then colored pencils to create a lifelike appearance. You will see students working together in groups of 2 or more. However, each is responsible for his or her own accurately drawn and neatly labeled work, which will become part of the individual science portfolio. Our program begins with the study of cells. After reading about each of the organelles and their functions, as well as seeing photographs taken with an electron microscope, we learn these difficult cell parts by chanting the cell yell. This little mnemonic device allows students to rapidly learn the difficult cell parts with short phrases to trigger recall of the complex cell functions. Students seem to enjoy this non-traditional method of learning.
The nucleus, how many vertebrae work? Okay, what does that do? What's that do? Want to tell us? Yeah, control flow in the cell, but control. In fact, control is 2 very specific that we're going to highlight right now. Let's highlight words growth and reproduction. Organelles are in the cell. Organelles are in the cell. Cell. Organelle. What's a cell? Organelle. Semi-permeable. Cell membrane. Cell membrane. Semi-permeable. Control center. Nucleus. Control center. Nucleus. Nucleus. Control center. Nucleus. Control center. Endoplasmic reticulum. Transportation system. Transportation system. Endoplasmic reticulum. What is protein? Ribosome. What is protein? Ribosome. Ribosome. Protein. Ribosome. Protein. How has the cell? Mitochondrion. Mitochondrion. How has the cell? Sword sac. Sword sac. Patches are? Sword sac. Patches are? Sword sac. What's the digestion? Muscle. What's digestion? Lysospore? Lysospore? Material. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. Jelly-like material. What's heredity? What's heredity? Chromosomes. Heredity. Organelles are in the cell. Organelles are in the cell. Organelles. Now, if we said semi-permeable, you'd say cell membrane. Why is it semi-permeable? What does it mean to be semi-permeable? Everybody it? That something's in and out of the cell. And if I were to say control center, you'd say nucleus. But what is it controlling? What 2 things aren't controlled by the nucleus? Everybody it? Reproduction. If I said endoplasmic reticulum, what is it transporting or carrying? Carrying protein made by the ribosomes.
As a culminating activity to their cell study, students create their own edible designer cells. They produce either a plant or animal cell using a rubric checklist to ensure that they have included all the appropriate organelles. To accompany the edible cell, students draw an accurate replica labeling each of the cell parts. Once the cells are graded, they are voraciously devoured.
I made a plant cell, and for my cell membrane, I dyed my spaghetti green. And for the endoplasmic reticulum, I dyed spaghetti red, and that's it.
For my this is a plant cell. I made it out of brownies, so my cell wall is made of like gum, and my cell membrane is made of red Twizzlers, and my nucleus is made of pancake and Hershey Kisses.
Okay, let's take a closer look.
This is my animal cell. I made the back rolls out of tiny chocolate chip cookies. I made the lysosomes out of black licorice, and I made the mitochondria out of peanuts.
This is about plant cell. I made the nucleus and the vacuole out of gel. I made the mitochondria out of peanuts, and I made the ribosomes out of spring.
Okay, let's take a nice close-up of those. Terrific.
Oh, you got to have